Basically, I started doing a psychology degree at uni, decided that I didn't want to go into psychology as a career. I think the main reason was because I did a placement year during university with the BBC. It was with the BBC R&D team, so we were doing all sorts of human research around human-computer interaction. So I was working with quite a techie team, so they were all doing bits of coding and really cool things like that. And I just sort of wanted to get involved in that world. I was doing my dissertation on VR, virtual reality, so I thought it was a really cool space to be in and around all these really interesting people. And so I decided that, that was the route that I would go down.
The reason that I decided to join 1010 and to take up a career in software testing was to do with where I was beforehand. I was working for a long time in hospitality. I was managing a coffee shop for a big UK chain. And as part of the last couple of years working for that chain, the chain itself was rolling out a lot of new applications. So I was going through what it termed a digital transformation. And as part of it, I was getting to do work outside of my normal role, where I helped with training and a little bit of user testing of these new applications that were being rolled out. And I found that I really enjoyed doing that work. And when that kind of came to an end, I found myself very disappointed to be going back to my normal role, which was kind of the prompt for me of, I should be doing something like this. I really enjoyed this, I found it very engaging. And so that's when I started looking at what is there out there, how can I move from where I was with the skills that I had into software testing, that kind of area. And that's when I came across 1010. As you're going through the course, you are getting feedback on what areas you're doing well, what areas you're not. There's several assessments. The course has several modules, different skills. And so as you're going through them, you're getting an assessment and feedback on how well you're doing at certain things. Throughout, you're getting feedback on both, the knowledge you're picking up, you're retaining that, your technical knowledge, and also your soft skills. And I think that's what they use towards the end to judge where are you best going to be placed. They are getting a heads up about what projects are coming in for the academy team, for the academy people, as you're progressing through the course, and that's giving them an idea of which people will best fit where. So, for my example myself, at the end, I'd got quite, high scores for soft skills, and I was placed immediately onto a project. So I came straight off the academy and was on a project, and it was a project with a more senior person. I found that my time in the academy was incredibly wonderful for me. I thought it was a really successful thing to be a part of. So from being in the academy and doing the academy course and doing the core program, gave me a core knowledge, a little bit of knowledge in all of the different areas that I touched throughout the career I've had. And that's a really good starting point because it tells you what you need to learn, it tells you the shape of things that are to come. For me, I found the 2 years that I was in the academy program some of the best that I've ever had, especially in terms of my career, in terms of work. I really enjoyed it. I found it engaging and rewarding, and with so much opportunity to develop and grow.
I don't think anyone should really have any doubts about coming into this career because 1010 is a really good stepping stone into being able to actually be in this world of tech and being able to, there's all sorts of courses in 1010, so you can end up being a tester, you can end up being a developer. I actually went from a tester route to a business analyst, so I'm now actually currently a business analyst, which is the less techie side of things. So to be honest, 1010 can really work to your strengths. If you don't want to be a really technical person, that's fine. There's routes for you to go if you don't want to be technical. But equally, if you're technical, there's also loads of routes that you can go down. So I think just take the leap, and then there's different options for you once you're here.